It is part 2 of the Siemens family adventure. We're road tripping now. We got Sam, we got Papa, Laverne, we got Mama Ruth.
Driving.
And we are headed, where are we headed today?
Oh, look at that.
Sedona.
North of Sedona to do some hiking. Supposedly it's very pretty. We're in the red, what is called red soil area, red dirt. It is different from where we were staying in Goodyear, Arizona. This looks beautiful. I've not been to this part of the world before. And Sam and I aren't huge hikers, not huge into physical fitness. So we might hike a little bit and then stop at the creek. I'm told there might be some fishing opportunities along the way. So we'll see. There's some trout streams here in the canyon. Could be pretty picturesque. But I'll bring you along on the adventure.
Why are you taking pictures of her back?
It's part of the vlog. Weird. Welcome to, what is this place called, Kyle? West Fork Oak Creek. Our hike for the day with our trusty guide, Kyle, who's gonna give some hiking tips, some fishing tips.
Oh yes.
He's gonna protect us from cougars.
Yeah.
Hey Sam.
Rabbit, yes. Rabbit.
What?
I was just handing you the rods for the hike.
I don't want them.
Okay.
I would likely break them and then you'd be mad at me.
Probably. I cut my leg already.
Wow.
In the parking lot.
Great start.
Intense hiking.
We're ready, let's go.
To the top. We've been hiking for about an hour and a half so far. The hike is absolutely stunning. Could not ask for a better view. But I have not seen any trout. I'm told that this river's stocked with trout. I think browns, maybe rainbows. I've been checking the deeper pockets with my polarized shades. We've yet to see a trout, but it's good family time. So we'll keep looking. I still have faith, but if we do see them, they're still gonna be tough to catch. So we will continue the hiking. Whoa, hope you guys enjoy the views, and we'll see you in a bit. Where are the fish at, baby?
No fish, look.
This is beautiful, only enhanced by the beauty of Samantha.
Welcome back. Today we are following Jay Siemens, a day in the life as he hunts for fish.
It is our last morning fishing in Arizona, and pretty cool story. I'll tell you guys later, but for now we're headed back to Hidden Lake, where I went with my mom a couple days ago and got skunked. We're back there, and I think we're gonna score this time, but we're gonna get fishing, and I'll tell you guys what's going on. Ladies and gentlemen, we are at Hidden Lake, Arizona. So here's the story. I posted a picture on Instagram when I was here the other night. This kid named Dylan shot me a message and he said, hey, that's my dad's lake. And now we're fishing together. Dylan, say hi, say what's up. Dylan's gonna be my guide for the day. His family owns this lake. They do some high quality management. It's got big everything, it sounds like. What are we starting for?
We're gonna try some chatterbaits, some jigs. It's gonna be a
big largies?
Really a flip bite.
Nice.
Some 6-7 pounders for sure.
6-7 pounders. That's some bold words. All right, we're gonna get on the water and we're gonna see what Hidden Lake has to offer. Dylan said I was getting the VIP treatment and he was not lying.
Oh yeah.
What grade are you in?
6th grade.
Dylan's in the 6th grade and he fishes better than most of the bass fishermen I see back home, so I think we're in for a bit of a treat. Dylan fishes every day on these ponds, not just these ponds, any lake in the area in Arizona, and he seems to have a pretty good vibe. So some fish are pre-spawn here and some will be on beds in other ponds?
Right now they're pretty much just pre-spawning here.
Yeah.
I've got a few other ponds that there's some fish on beds. I'm throwing a chatterbait.
Chatterbait? All right. And Dylan says slow. We're gonna throw the chesty on and we're bass fishing with Dylan.
Melodic.
Melodic. Dylan Melodic Outdoors. I will link his Instagram below. You gotta follow him. This man, he's gonna start a channel soon. It's gonna blow up. I'm telling you. Moving spots, boss?
Yep.
Flipping time.
Flipping time.
What's the game plan, boss?
Well, we can't catch them flipping, can't catch them on humps, so we're gonna go catch them on pit rocks.
Catch them on rocks.
Catch them on rocks.
We're switching lakes.
Okay.
Going for lake number 2. And we got the man coming to pick us up. Lake number 1, we did not score, but they were there. I don't doubt any of the stories. So we are switching to the other lake, but first we've got a little stop along the way. What you got planned?
We got a little pond.
A little pond?
Some bed fish.
Some sight fishing?
Some sight fishing.
So the fish on the big ponds aren't on beds yet, but this little pond, since it's smaller and has warmed up quicker, the fish are on beds, they're spawning, and we're gonna go try to catch some bedders with this boy. So this pond's off limits is what I'm told.
This pond is off limits. The VIP pond.
VIP treatment. You have to live here or be fishing with Dylan to fish this pond. Is that a bed right there? No.
Can't see the bed right now, but you'll see the fish. Oh, there he is.
Wow, he's chasing it. Yeah. Holy smokes. We need to put the drone up for that.
No,
Wow, is that fish aggressive?
yeah, he's very aggressive.
His bed must be right off the edge of the log, eh?
All
Oh,
over it, man.
that fish is mean.
Yeah, he's a mean fish.
I think we should put the drone up.
Yeah, I think so too.
Show me what we're using.
Oh,
What's gonna catch this fish?
we're throwing the depth 175 and flash carp floating.
You had this fish ready for me. Dylan said he had one waiting for me.
Oh yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna just cast past it and reel it right over his head? And he'll eat it?
And reel it right over his head and then stop it right over his bed.
Okay, we'll try. How big is he? 2 pounds?
Pound and a half maybe.
Pound and a half, I'll take him. This is it. Right there?
Yep. Try taking another cast and working it a little more aggressively and then pausing it a little bit to the right.
Oh!
Ooh, oh, she swiped at it. Oh, fish on!
Got him! You got him!
There was a fish on the depth slide swimmer.
There we go, first fish of the trip.
Look at that.
That is a big bait. Oh,
She's got a little bit of a screwed up lip there.
that is my first largie at Hidden Lake, Arizona with my buddy Dylan. He had this one reserved for me. We're gonna get it back and we're gonna catch a 10-pounder that lives in here.
Heck yeah. There she goes.
That was perfect. Give me some. So good, all right. It's your turn now. All right, we are back. We switched lakes and now we're switching species for the black crappie. Right around 7. Oh yeah, we're on. This feels like a big crappie. Oh, geez, that's big. Yeah, that's big. I don't think that's a PB, but that's a good fish. That's a good one for first fish. I would say that's probably close to 15. We're gonna put that one right back.
Like giant?
That's like a monster. Yeah, it's like a monster in Canada for sure.
That's a monster?
Yeah.
You don't want a picture?
We're gonna catch a bigger one. Okay guys, unfortunately my GoPro froze randomly in the middle of our last fishing stint. I caught a bass, my second bass of the day. I caught it on a Senko, wacky rigged, courtesy of Tyler's Real Fishing. I asked him, I said, one bait in a stained pond, what should I use? He said, throw a Senko. That's what I'm throwing. It's on one of these weedless heads. This is probably like a 1/16 ounce or 1/8 ounce, 4-inch Senko, a little bit smaller. 5 inches like a classic largie size, but we're gonna bang some bank now and hopefully end with a couple largies. All right, we need a little update. What's been going on, Dylan?
We had a few crappie bites. Landed one, got 2 bass, and we're deciding we're gonna go try and find some big old bass here for the
last hour.
Last hour of the day. See if we can't pick up a few up shallow on these Kitex.
It has been an awesome day. We haven't crushed the fish, but I know they are here. We've seen them. That crappie was big. That was a 14, 15-inch crappie, and he says that's average. So that's crazy. But we're gonna finish with some largie fishing. on Hidden Lake, Arizona, and life's good. We're not ice fishing. It's my boy Dylan. Come on, Dylan. Finish it off strong.
Last cast. If only. I'm gonna actually get a bite.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna set the hook.
Guys, that is a wrap. Huge shout out to Dylan for taking me out today. So awesome. Shows you the power of social media and just how it connects anglers. Hidden Lake. If you want Dylan to take you out personally, shoot him a message. He might be able to line something up.
A guide for tips. So
Guides for tips,
it's
big
free.
tips.
Big
This guy
tips.
knows. He's got all sorts of options based on the conditions. Today was a little tougher. There's been some cold fronts moving through. That's okay. I caught a big crappie, a couple nice largies. And if you want a chance at a personal best largie or crappie, this is a very, very good place to do it. And it's near Phoenix. If you're vacationing and you're from anywhere north and you don't know where to fish, I will link this place below. You should come check it out. It's so easy to come fish for a day. You can fish from shore if you want as well. If you have access to a boat or kayak, that's an option as well. Anything you want to add?
Just check us out at www.hiddenlakeaz.com and, you know,
Follow this man on
keep in
Instagram.
touch and follow me on Instagram, Dylan Melodic Outdoors.
There you go. Awesome. That's a wrap. Dylan, you want to punch the camera? Woo! You guys may have thought the video was done. It is not. I forgot my tackle box in Dylan's boat yesterday, so I was done fishing for the Arizona part of this trip, but I had to come pick up the tackle box, so I thought, well, if I have to come pick it up, I may as well fish for a couple hours. So quick fish this morning. It'll be an hour, maybe 2 hours. But I think this might be it. I think we might light it up. So feeling good. Dylan should be meeting me any minute, and we're gonna catch some bass today because yesterday we didn't catch too many. What are you throwing?
I'm throwing a Kitech on a jig head and I'm gonna swim this thing along the bottom.
Swim jig?
Swim jig pretty much.
Fisher busting on the point right there. I'm gonna get fishing. We got the drone above us somewhere there. And it's a beautiful morning. Cold, says Dylan. Frigid.
Very cold.
Got a real dirty lens. Dylan saw some bait busting last night after I left and caught a crappie or two. So we're trying the rocks, a little more open water stuff. If that does not happen, we're gonna head back to the bush shorelines and do some flipping. But like I said, I can only fish till, should probably be leaving by like almost 8 o'clock or just before. I don't even know what time it is now. It's probably 6:30 already.
Oh dude, I just got freaking just clobbered. Got him.
What you got? Oh, nice, nice, nice. You gonna bounce him? That's a good one. Hold him up, bud. That's
Look at that
a
guy.
big crappie.
It's a good size one.
Good start.
Heck yeah, it's a good start to the day. Slaughtered it too. Look at that
Little
Kitech.
swim bait. That was a bass-sized
God.
bait that he chowed. Awesome, man.
Little slab crappie.
Right there. Get him back. Let's catch another. Our morning is about half done, which seems very quick, but I wasn't planning to fish today. And we got one nice crappie.
Last year in the summertime, he had a jig head with a little curly tail on it, rigged totally wrong on like a $10 Walmart rod. And I was on the other side of the lake, and he caught like a 52-inch muskie on it.
Yeah. Not big, not big, not big. But it's a bass.
Squeaker. Oh,
There we go. We are 2 fish. We've already tied what we caught yesterday. That's a good sign. Senko. All right. 5 minutes left remaining in my Arizona fishing excursion.
got him.
Nice. What do we got? That is right there, a trip ender. That's a big crappie, bud. I'm gonna get the big camera. Guys, this is the average size at Hidden Lake if you want a crappie fish. Not many people crappie fish here. Hold them up. Horizontal.
No one.
2 hands.
No one crappie fishes at this lake, folks.
And they're big.
They're big.
Average size I would say is like 14 or 15 inches with a chance of like an 18 incher from
This
what I've
is
been
about
told.
it. This is about average right here.
Yeah, that's huge.
And that's the second one today. As you can see, eating that Kitech.
Eating the swim bait for bass.
Eating the swim bait. Shout out to Jay for that pulse tail.
Deadly.
Indeed.
Awesome. I think that's how we're gonna end the trip.
Awesome.
So good. So good.
Toad.
All right, bud. Let's get him back. All right, anything you want to say, man?
Thank you to Jay for coming out here and fishing with me. I'm a big fan. Check him out. Subscribe.
check out Dylan. Yeah, so this was part 2. This will all be part of the same video, but Hidden Lake, Arizona, a little gem. Once again, if you're in the Phoenix area, come check it out. Shoot a message to Dylan and he can probably guide you for the day. But anyways, I'm taking off. Next stop, Texas. We'll see you there.